Hi, I'm Jamieson from Diesel Care Australia. Today I'd just like to give you a little bit of an info tech about AdBlue. A lot of people haven't even heard of AdBlue. Unless you own a vehicle like this Ford Everest, you probably don't even know what AdBlue is. And unfortunately we're seeing a lot of problems because of this. As you can see with this Ford Everest, there's actually two filler points on this vehicle. One is for the normal diesel and one is for AdBlue. AdBlue is a chemical which is used for after exhaust treatment. So it's actually pumped into the exhaust system after the engine, and it changes the emissions from CO2 and nitrous oxides into water and oxygen as it comes out the back. So in other words, it makes this diesel vehicle a lot more friendly to our environment. However, it comes with some problems. Some of the problems we're seeing is that people don't understand what AdBlue is. They drive up to a service station, they have diesel on one Bowser, AdBlue on the other. They either accidentally put the AdBlue in the diesel, or they think that the diesel could even have an additive in it and they use it. This has catastrophic effect on your diesel fuel injection system. It destroys everything from the front to the back. So this is just a general warning to the people out there with diesels, with or without AdBlue, on what you do at the Bowser. Don't use AdBlue in any vehicle that's not meant to go in, and only put it into the blue cap. Otherwise, it will be a very, very expensive stuffer.